Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make photo into circle in Microsoft Word document. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, add any pictures. So click on insert options. So when you will click on insert options, so you can see pictures options. Click on it and you can add pictures from your PC or online. So you can select any pictures. So after selecting the pictures, click on insert options and here wait some second, and after that you can adjust the size of pictures. After adjusting the size, just click on right and click on cut options, and then click on insert and then click on shape options and select oval shape. So after that click on one side and drag and select the area. So after that click on right and you will see format shape, click on it, and here you can see pictures are texture fill, click on it, and here click on clipboard options. So after that you can see the picture is added in the form of circle. So guys, in this way you can add any pictures into the circle. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.